we're going to talk about comparing two values using absolute value. So we're going to talk about comparing using absolute value. When you want to compare two numbers that involve any arithmetic operations, you must first evaluate the value of the operations. So what this means is if I am comparing, let's say 3 plus 7 and 12, if I want to compare those two numbers, those two values, I first must do any operations. Now over here on the left side, we have an operation of 3 plus 7. On the right side, there are no operations, so I don't need to do anything there. Now, we're going to do 3 plus 7, which is 10, and now we can compare that to the number 12, and we can say that 10 is less than 12. Once you're down to one number on each side of the comparison, you can decide which symbol you're going to put. So now, let's talk about the three main symbols that we have for comparisons. Now, there are going to be many more that we introduce later, but for right now, let's focus on the three main ones. We've got less than, we have greater than, and we have equal to. Equal to. Sorry about my messy writing there, but you can see that. So we have less than, greater than, or equal to. Those are the three main comparisons that we're going to do. For now, we're focusing on those. Remember, there will be more later. Less than means the first number is less than the second number. Greater than means that the first number is greater than the second number. And equal to means that the first number is equal to the second number. Another way of thinking this is for less than, you can think of it being to the left of on the number line. So, for example, 3 is to the left of 5 on a number line. So 3 is less than 5. So less than means to the left then. Now, if we look at 3 and 5 again, but this time I want to compare 5 and 3, is 5 to the left of 3 on the number line? No. 5 is to the right of 3 on the number line, and so we say 5 is greater than 3. And then equal to means that they hold the same place on the number line. So, for example, 1 and 2 halves are equal to each other. 1 is equal to 2 halves. So, we have less than, which means to the left of, greater than means to the right of, and equal to, which means they hold the same place. So first we evaluate it, and then we decide what's going to happen. So let's take a look. Let's compare 7 plus 2 and negative 15. Well, first we need to do any arithmetic we're going to do. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and negative 15 is just negative 15. And then we can put a number line down. And so let's put a number line down. Number line here. Well, 9 might go here, and negative 15 would go to the left of that. And so we say 9, since it comes first, it's the first one we would say, 9 is to the right of negative 15. In other words, 9 is greater than negative 15. So we use the greater than symbol. 9 is greater than negative 15. So remember that. To the left of means less than. To the right of means greater than. And if they take the same place, that means they're equal to each other. And we always read it from left to right, like we are reading a book. Thank you.